In the metalworking industry, every process matters. Every cut, every weld, every band, and every technical decision directly impacts a company's productivity. Choosing machinery, improving a process, or increasing production capacity are decisions that shape the future of your business. That's why, at FORZA Laser, we understand that industrial technology must come hand in hand with engineering, support, and a close relationship. We are an industrial company with Latin roots, operating since 2014, specializing in solutions for laser cutting, laser welding, CNC bending, and automation. We work with companies that want to produce with greater precision, efficiency, and control. Our way of working is based on 3 pillars: global operations, in-house engineering, and 360-degree service. Each FORZA machine incorporates world-class technology, combining components from leading brands like Rai Tools, Max Photonics, Schneider Electric, and Washu, along with our own developments, such as the FORZA plate. This integration allows us to create reliable, competitive equipment that is ready to meet the real demands of the international metalworking industry. Our operations function on a global scale. FORZA's processes are connected through various strategic geographic locations, where each stage fulfills a specific role within the same operational structure. At each location, our teams are directly involved in the management, supervision, and validation of the processes that make every FORZA solution possible. In Jinan, China, the development, manufacturing, integration, and technical supervision of our machines begin. There, we have Latin American engineers who participate in configuration reviews, component validation, and quality control from the very beginning. This presence allows us to maintain direct communication with our production partners and have greater control over the equipment that will reach our customers. In Guadalajara, Mexico, our plant serves as a key point for inspection, preparation, calibration, and operational coordination. From here, we manage logistics, delivery, installation, training, and technical support. Mexico connects internationally manufactured technology with the real production needs of our clients throughout the region. And in Latin America and the United States, our support network, showrooms, service centers, and ambassador clients allow us to stay close to the companies that trust FORZA. This is how FORZA Laser Global operates, an international operation with different points of action connected by a single goal: to deliver reliable industrial solutions, ready to produce, and backed by a specialized technical team. Our difference isn't just in where we operate, it's in how we develop each solution. At FORZA Laser Global, we work with our own engineering. We analyze each client's production needs and define solutions based on their actual operations. We understand what each company produces, what materials they work with, what capacity they need, what challenges they face on the shop floor, and what technology can help them produce more and better. Based on that analysis, our engineers configure machines and industrial solutions designed to meet real working conditions. Because a machine shouldn't just perform on a spec sheet, it needs to deliver in daily operations. It has to integrate into the production flow. It must work with stability, precision, and consistency. Every FORZA machine is part of a comprehensive process. It is defined, manufactured, supervised, prepared, calibrated, installed, commissioned, and supported. Because for FORZA Laser Global, an industrial solution proves its value when it becomes part of the customer's production. And that's where our third pillar comes in: 360-degree service. 360-degree service is how we support the customer throughout the entire process, from the initial consultation and technical definition to logistics, delivery, installation, training, commissioning, and after-sales support. Our technical team assists with installation, trains operators, answers technical questions, and provides support during operation. We also develop resources, service spaces, and points of contact so that each customer can make the most of their investment. With that same vision, FORZA Laser now has a new service center in Guadalajara, Jalisco, a specialized center for diagnostics, repair, and recovery of laser components. developed to meet the technical needs of the industry, both for FORZA equipment and components from other brands. This facility expands our spare parts capacity and makes FORZA a technical reference point for companies operating with laser technology throughout the region. Because in the metalworking industry, every component can directly impact the continuity of production. And when a company needs support, it needs diagnostics, technical expertise, and a reliable solution. That's why the Service Center represents a new stage in our 360-degree service. Closer support, more specialized, and open to the industry working with laser technology. Our vision is global, but our way of working is close and personal. And that's why FORZA becomes more than just a supplier. We become that business partner who directly impacts your daily production. We integrate international manufacturing, Latin American engineering, the plant in Mexico, and regional technical support to offer industrial solutions with real backing. We are a company that understands technology only has value when it improves production, when it helps reduce lead times, when it opens up new capabilities, when it allows you to grow with greater control, when it gives the customer the confidence to keep producing. That's FORZA Laser. With a global vision, real technical support, and a team that supports every stage of their client's growth. Welcome to FORZA Laser. Contact us and start producing with real technology, engineering, and support.